Hello, and welcome to our version of Tilt Brush for Oculus Rift. As you can see, here are my controllers represented in the 3D space as hands. I can use them to draw. In this video, I will be drawing with my left hand as I am left-handed. By pressing the index trigger, I can draw continuous strokes in 3D using my handheld controller. I can also change the stroke width by pressing the X and Y buttons on my left controller. Pressing Y increases the stroke width as you can see. Pressing X decreases the stroke width as you can see. In our rendition of Tilt Brush, all opposing changes are tied to the X and Y buttons. After triggering the scale option from the menu, I can use X and Y to scale my sketch by aiming with my laser pointer at a sketch I want to scale. Pressing Y scales the sketch up, and pressing X scales the sketch down, as you can observe. As you might have guessed, the laser pointer on the right controller is used to select in our game. Now, I can select the color of the paint I use by using the color picker in front of me. I aim and choose the color. As an extra feature, I can also aim and adjust the brightness of the color. Now, in terms of navigation, we already observed scaling. I myself can also walk around the space. I can also teleport by aiming with my laser pointer to where I want to teleport. I can also rotate myself. I can also move and rotate my sketch by using the menu blocks in front of me. First, let's focus on positioning. I can select and move my sketch along the X-axis on the menu using the X and Y buttons. I can also select to move my sketch along the Y-axis on the menu. I can also select to move my sketch along the Z-axis on the menu. Now let us focus on rotation. I can select to rotate my sketch around the X-axis on the menu. I then use the X and Y buttons to rotate the sketch, as you can observe. I can also rotate my sketch around the Y-axis, as you can observe. I can also rotate my sketch around the Z-axis, as you can observe. Again, all using the X and Y buttons on my controller. Now, say I want to remove my sketch. I have two options. The first is to erase individual brushstrokes. To do this, I aim at the stroke and pull the index trigger on my right controller. The second option is to erase all of my sketches. To do this, I aim at the big eraser and select it to erase all of my brushstrokes at once. To have a bit more, our team decided to implement the following extra features. The first is a pixelated view to simulate Minecraft. As you can see, the brushstrokes resemble retro game graphics more. I can also go back to smooth, high-quality brushstrokes. The second feature is a change of environment. Our team provided a few environments to practice your artistic talent in. Through our handy menu, we can select different surrounding backgrounds for our sketches. Mountains, canyons, you decide. Another feature is the glow-in-the-dark mode. Looks pretty cool, huh? In this mode, the background changes to dark and the paint from the previous as well as new sketches features emission, so it can be seen even when no light source is present. Our last extra feature takes paint beyond the boring constructs through acid importation. You can now paint with apples or pears. Now that's a wrap. Be sure to check out our game. Thanks for watching.